Okay guys, I got something really cool to show you. Um it just came in the mail a couple of hours ago and I came home to find it on the porch. Check that out. That is a System Sensor Spectral Alert Classic set to 75 candela, and it's a horn strobe. And oh my god, I am so happy to have a new fire alarm now. And I just got a fire alarm a month ago as a Gentex Commander 2. And now I got a Spectral Alert Classic. And I am so happy, guys. And I just made a video of me testing it too. So go check out that video, guys. And yeah, just wanted to show you. I got a new fire alarm. In fact, maybe I'll test it really quick for you guys. I'll do a really quick test on it. Alright, hold on, guys. I'll do a really quick test. Okay, guys, that was a test of my new fire alarm. I am very happy to have it. I've wanted this fire alarm for a long time, and my friend Colin has one. However, his has a 15 candela strobe, but mine is 75 candela. So it's loud, but not as loud as my Gentex Commander 2 is. And I have my Gentex Commander 2, by the way, outside on the porch. And I have my EST Integrity horn out in the kitchen. And I have my new Spectral Classic in my room. And my Gentex Commander 3 strobe is in the basement. And I made the strobe to that one blue. So that's really cool. I'll probably show that to you some point in the future. But I hope you enjoyed this video. And I love my new fire alarm. I just got home probably 10 minutes ago. I already have it wired up, and I tested it. It works. It's loud, but not as loud as my Commander 2 is, so I love it. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'm really happy to have a new fire alarm.